Mineral Resources, Unit 2, 3rd Standard, Term 3, Social Studies. A conversation between a father and son in their new house where some electrical work is going on. The son picks up an insulated copper wire from the ground.
What is this, Daddy?
This is a wire. We are using it to give electrical connection in our house.
This is blue, thick wire, and there are many thin metal wires inside this.
The thin metal wires are made up of copper.
Copper?
Copper is one of the most used minerals in today's world.
I have read about minerals in school. They are very useful and are found naturally on the earth.
You're right. Copper is a very good conductor of electricity.
Is it?
Yes, copper is used in all electrical appliances including computers, televisions, mobile phones and other electric devices.
Wow! I didn't know that. Tell me about other useful minerals.
Another widely used mineral is iron ore. It is mainly used to produce iron.
What are the uses of iron?
Iron is used to make vehicles, engines, railway tracks, ships, buildings, furniture, paper clips, tools, bicycles and thousands of other items.
Natural resources that once consumed cannot be replaced are called non-renewable resources. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are called fossil fuels. Iron, copper, bauxite, gold, silver and other are called mineral resources.
Non-renewable resources can be divided into three types. They are metallic resources, non-metallic resources, fossil fuel resources. This is only for the information.
Interesting. Is gold a mineral?
Yes, gold is extracted from gold ore. It is considered as one of the most precious minerals.
That's why it is used in making jewels.
You're right. Gold is also a very good conductor of electricity and it is found in small amounts in electronic devices including mobile phones, televisions and so on.
Oh, is it so?
Another very useful mineral is bauxite.
Bauxite? I have never heard of it.
Bauxite is used to make aluminium. Aluminium is used in electronics, constructions, vehicles and even in utensils.
Tell me more about bauxite, Dad.
The bauxite deposits are mainly found in the Shevarari Hills of Salem district, Tamil Nadu. Bauxite is used in aircraft making industry, electrical industry and is also used in making machines.
Interesting.
Bauxite is used to make paper, purify water and refine petroleum. It is also used to manufacture rubber and cosmetics.
This is very informative, Dad.
Have you heard about zinc?
No, Dad. Tell me about zinc.
Zinc is called the essential trace element because very small amount of zinc is necessary for human health. Our body does not store excess zinc. It must be consumed regularly as part of our diet. common food sources of zinc include red meat, white meat and seafood.
What are the other uses of zinc?
Zinc oxide is widely used in the manufacture of many products such as paints, rubbers, cosmetics, medicines, inks, batteries, textiles and electrical equipments.
Oh, really?
The other most useful mineral is potash.
What are the uses of potash?
95% of potash is used for making fertilizers. If the soil does not have enough potassium, potash fertilizers are used to improve the quality of soil. The remaining 5% potash is used in commercial and industrial products such as soap.
Thank you, Dad. This has been very useful. I am going to share it with my friends.
That's a good idea, son. Now let's recap. Minerals are very useful and they are found naturally on the earth. Copper is used in all electrical appliances. Iron ore is mainly used to produce iron. Gold is considered as one of the most precious metal. Bauxite is used to make aluminium. Zinc is called the essential trace element. Potash is used for making fertilizers. Now fill in the blanks. The first picture is iron rod, second one is copper ball and third one is gold bangles. Choose the correct answer. The metal inside the wires are made up of copper. Gold is used for making jewels. Which mineral is used for fertilizer? Potash. Zinc is found in fish. Which mineral is used in aircraft making industry? Bauxite. Match the following: bauxite, aluminium, iron ore, railway tracks, zinc oxide, rubber products, metal wires, copper, potash, soap. Answer the following. Name some minerals found on earth: bauxite, iron ore, potash, zinc, copper, gold. Name some minerals that are conductors of electricity: copper, silver, aluminium, gold, steel and brass. Write few uses of copper. It's used in electrical equipment like wiring and motors. Give a short note on iron ore. Produce iron. It is used to make vehicles, engines, railway tracks, ships, buildings, furnitures, paper clips, tools, bicycle, etc.